Collective friction off. Pedal on foot. Okay, pedal on foot. Air is clear.
Clear left and aft.
Okay, governor is on. Increase RPM 102, 104. Increase RPM.
Just get it to 80.
Okay, 102, 104, governor function. Okay, warning lights out. Our gauge green before takeoff. Cylinder type temperature. Need more time.
No, I mean you can still pick up.
Okay.
But you just don't take off until the cylinder head temperature is higher.
Okay. Okay, I was inside. Rep collective. I was outside. Right on scale. Headwind.
Where's the headwind? What did Ada say the wind was?
It's windy calm.
Okay. What does the wind song say?
Windy song is it's not moving here. Windy song over there.
Palomar Tower,
I can see the wind song.
Romeo Bravo on ILS 24.
So don't just assume that the headwind's west. I mean, during the day, when it's warmer, usually, that's saying that the wind is coming from behind us.
Okay.
So if you really wanted to get into a headwind,
Romeo Bravo.
you can do this. If wind is calm, does it matter?
Jet traffic 9 miles final, runway 24.
Wind calm is...
If it says wind calm, does it matter
Okay.
what way we're facing?
47 main will keep the base in closed.
That was a question.
Taxi back.
Oh, wind calm is not a better...
Yeah, it doesn't matter. So, we could just watch your tail. You can come a little to the side.
Okay.
Come side.
Romeo Bravo, start reducing speed.
Yeah, we just face the helipad.
Still on the downwind,
Face the
approaching a 3/4 mile right base.
Alright, we'll start slowing down 8 Romeo Bravo.
Alright. Now when you're ready, you can ask for a Civic North departure.
Okay. Palomar Tower, helicopter 301 Romeo Whiskey. We are at Civic parking. Request Civic North departure with information alpha.
301 Romeo Whiskey Palomar Tower, traffic jet, 7 mile final landing runway 24. Caution, correction, that clear for takeoff from the county heel pad, caution, heel pad, not slap for tower. Civic North departure approved, wind calm.
Civic North departure approved. Helicopter, helipad, clear for takeoff, or Romeo Whiskey.
Romeo Bravo, space looks good, runway 24 to land, there'll be traffic, helicopter crossing south to north, midfield at 900.
Alright, still clear to land. 248 Romeo Bravo, be looking for that traffic.
Takeoff?
Yep.
Okay, wireless out, engine engaging the green, we have fuel.
So we don't want to get slower.
Okay.
Because then it's going to make it harder to climb, right?
Alright.
So we want to get faster. And then we can get just a little bit out.
Up to get a little bit up.
We don't need to get slower. We just don't need to, push forward as much.
Okay.
We always want to get faster on the takeoff.
Okay. Trim.
Until we get to I don't know, 50.
Okay. I got it.
So is this would you say this is a 50 knot attitude that we have now?
Unfortunately, runway 24 next November. Runway 24
now it's better.
November 47.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Because it's saying 60, right? And
Yeah.
it's getting faster.
Oh, okay.
So
little
just
bit
go a little aft.
Okay, clear
Just
left.
hold that.
Okay.
Okay, clear left.
Maintain 15. Okay, left is
And what
clear.
altitude do we need to get to?
We should altitude 700.
900.
Oh, over the tower 900. Yeah.
Yeah, Pacific North.
Okay, that is clear.
Nice job holding your attitude in the turn.
Okay.
Good
Thank
job.
you. Thank you. Maintain the heading.
That can be very hard.
Okay, lower out to.
So we're still a little
Tower.
low.
Okay, a little low at the cyclic.
Yeah, just a little aft. That'll help us. All right, we'll get there now. This is nice.
Over the tower.
Yeah, right over the tower.
Okay, so 900. Level off.
All right. What's ASTCR?
ASTCR, it's altitude 900. It's a speed, it's a 65, a little bit fast. 12, it's a very left pedal. The next reference is world tag and school.
And then carb heat, right?
Okay.
Carb temperature. Do we need carb heat today?
Yeah, I think.
Probably a good
Yeah.
idea. It's pretty humid, so you don't need to. Here, leave the friction off.
Okay.
Just reach down and do it.
Okay, reach down.
Reach down. No, it's right here. So grab your knee. Okay. I have controls.
Oh, you have a control?
All right, I have controls.
You have a control.
So you don't need to. Don't go around the collective. Go in front of it.
Okay.
So put your left hand in front of the collective
Okay.
and reach down and do the carb heat.
Okay.
Mess with it right now. Here, you have controls.
I have a control.
You're going like around the collective. It's very uncomfortable.
Okay.
Just go in front
Go for
and down.
Okay.
With your left hand,
Yeah.
put this. Now I want you to put this down.
Okay.
Do it now.
Put it down for now.
No, see how the wrist is on the. No, we don't want your wrist touching the throttle like that. Move it. There.
Okay.
Romeo Bravo, turn left.
A lot easier, right?
And take the park to the Alpha District, say park destination.
All right, left Alpha 5, Alpha Park.
You don't need to
We're
do
going
friction for
Atlantic.
carb heat. It's so
Romeo
quick.
Bravo.
It's just jit, and then it's back.
Okay.
You know.
I got it.
So the first thing we're gonna do is vortex ring state.
Yep.
What are the? Have you done that before?
Yeah, yesterday.
Okay, cool. So with vortex ring state, it's what are the conditions? How do you get vortex ring state?
We're around near zero speed.
What else do you climb to?
We're gonna level off at 1500 after we depart the airspace to the north.
We're out to 1 with you, Roger. Traffic 12 to 1 o'clock, 3 miles, appears to be inbound to Oceanside Airport. Cessna Skyhawk, pre-change for go flight.
Looking for traffic, frequency change approved, 1 Romeo Whiskey.
Oh, okay.
Sorry about that. You could have done that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, sorry. I already talked to them. So they're like here, and they're gonna go to Oceanside. I don't think they're gonna be a problem. Let's get, you switched it.
Tower 5 for November with you, ILS 24.
What happened? We already had this set up.
70.
Alright, what's the Oceanside weather?
Wind calm.
Or Oceanside
Visibility
traffic?
4.
Yeah.
Haze. Sky condition overcast 2,100. Temperature 18 Celsius. Dew point 13 Celsius.
It's not in there. You're gonna have to find it
Altimeter
yourself.
29er.